We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and some of the most mispronounced words in English as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. In British English, this is usually said as library, 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 a very short brush syllable here, library. In American English, however, it is normally said as library, library, with a bre sound more than a br sound. Library in American English versus library in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.